What's going on, gurus? My name is Nick, and I am back here today to discuss NTFY. That is Notify. It's an open source platform. It can be used to send push notifications to your endpoints, whether that be your browser or even to your mobile phones. And this is a really cool way that we can actually get push notifications to our analysts while they're using our platform, which does not natively have push notifications in it because we don't have a mobile app. So the way that I came across this is actually a guy named Network Chuck. Follow this guy's channel a lot. I do a lot of his videos. I like to mess around in my lab with a lot of the stuff that he provides. So highly recommend checking him out if that's something you're interested like I am. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump over to the administrative settings. Now, I don't have an integration that I built or anything for this. What I am going to do, though, is I'm going to use our REST API function to perform this integration. Now, there's no special configuration that you have to set up on it. As you can see here, uh, I don't have any kind of special authentication here or anything like that. But if I wanted to, I could set up a permissions to actually block who has access to see the specific channel that we are going to be creating for this. Now, I'm not going to really go over that today, but I wanted to show off the capabilities within this platform here. So let's go ahead and jump into the playbook that I created. All right, so I'm going to take this playbook and toss it out on my GitHub. I will go ahead and link that down below. But what we're going to do here is this is going to be an incident activated. It will automatically run for me. And this will happen whenever a new incident is created with a high severity or whenever the severity gets changed too high from anything else. Now, specifically what this is this notification is actually going to be pushing a note, just letting me know that something has been escalated. It's also going to provide a link back to my SOAR platform. That way I can actually click that link and jump directly back in here and start to tackle this incident quickly. Now, what you can see here is I went ahead and put in my URL. This is just my local system that I got this running on. I created a topic that I'm going to have my analysts subscribe to, but this is just going to be SOAR demo. Of course, we can make lots of different topics. We can have some for if something fails and we want to get a notification from that. We can create a topic for that. We can also create topics for incidents and stuff to be able to track all of this information. Now, of course, that means that you will have more topics that your analysts have to subscribe to, but it also allows you to break those up so that they're not getting notifications from everything. They can decide which notifications they actually get from the system. So we're also going to pass this over as a JSON, and we are passing the data in this manner. We're handing it off the topic and the message, and then we're going to do this as a post by dumping that data table that we have right here, or that data that we have that we built up right here into my request. Now, of course, I did have to name the output, but I'm not going to do anything with that output because I don't really care about the output. I care about sending this notification off. So let's go ahead and see how this notification will work here. All right, in my test instance here, what we've got is I've got a severity of medium for my notification here, or for my incident here, I mean. But of course, we have to bump this up to a high severity to get this notification. So let's go ahead and edit this incident, bump it up to that high severity, and hit save. Now you'll see up here in the top right, that playbook is going to kick off immediately, and then we are going to get the notifications. Let's see how that works. First, let's go ahead and dive into the notification within our browser. All right, here's that notification within the browser. We can see we got that. We were told that it was a escalated to a high severity, and we can go ahead and click this link. It'll allow us to jump straight back into our platform here and start handling that incident right away. Now what I'm going to show is I'm going to show my Android phone. So as you can see, my dog right there is poking his head out. But what we're going to do is I am going to click the notification there. Oops. And you can see that it brought me into my notification system here. And from what I can see here, I got that notification. I can also click this link and it will take me straight out. And unfortunately, oh, nope, it is on the network. Okay. So it is on the network. Now I can access the SOAR platform directly from my phone. And that's all based off of that notification that I got. All right. I know that was a rather short video this time, but I thought this was really cool. I wanted to get this out there. We've got all kinds of ideas that we're going to use this for here in the future. So definitely take a look at some of our videos that we've got coming up. And with that said, I hope this was beneficial to you. I hope that you are able to get something out of this and able to see how we can use some of these open source tools to enhance the capabilities of our SOAR platform and use these other integrations, such as the REST API integration, to connect with other systems that maybe we don't have native integrations with. If this was beneficial to you and did help you out, I ask for a like and a thumbs up down there. And also drop a comment down below. Tell me what other things you would like to see us integrate with. If this did not help you, feel free to drop a comment down there too. Give me a thumbs down. I mean, I want to know what's going on with you guys. I want to know what I can do better to help show this platform off for you. And every time I find something like this, I think that it's awesome. I want to share it with you guys. But with that being said, I hope to see you gurus in the next video. See ya.